They serve as the lifeline for deep-sea oil and gas exploitation, the energy pathways within high-pressure boilers, and the indispensable structural backbone of heavy machinery. As the genuine steel blood vessels of modern industry, seamless steel pipes underpin the operation of major national projects with their exceptional pressure, resistance, and reliability. Welcome to the modern seamless steel pipe production site, Zhong SNG, your preferred one-stop solution provider for steel projects, as we take you on a tour. The process begins with the smooth operation of powerful electromagnetic chucks, which firmly grip dense solid round steel bars and convey them in order to the cold saw cutting zone. Driven by the high-speed operation of the automatic cold saw, the alloy saw blade cuts the raw, round steel into standard fixed lengths with extreme precision, strictly in accordance with production process requirements. Accurate material preparation serves as the first line of defense in ensuring the quality of subsequent pipe forming. Next, the agile yet powerful feeding manipulator is activated, gently yet steadily transferring the cut billets into the heating furnace, embarking on a high-temperature process that transforms their physical properties. What comes into view is this giant rotary hearth furnace with a diameter of 24.5 meters. Under its advanced combustion control system, the steel billets are evenly heated to the optimal piercing temperature. With precise gripping by the discharge manipulator, the glowing red billets emerge majestically from the furnace. What follows is the most critical and technically sophisticated physical transformation of the entire production line. The heated billets are rapidly conveyed via roller tables to the vertical conical piercing mill. Under the combined action of the powerful cross-rolling force from the conical rolls and the piercing pressure of the internal alloy plug, the rigid solid steel billet undergoes a metallurgical marvel. Its core is pierced in an instant and rolled into a hollow thick-walled mother tube. This process demands not only exceptional equipment, rigidity, but also stringent control over the initial outer diameter and wall thickness uniformity of the hollow shell, establishing a perfect dimensional benchmark for the subsequent process. The hollow shell with its newly formed bore immediately enters the three-roller pipe rolling mill. Under uniformly distributed three-directional rolling force, the wall thickness of the shell is further and precisely reduced, and the metallic microstructure becomes much denser. The steel pipe then proceeds to the sizing mill section. This is a process of precision microsizing. Through continuous micro-deformation across multiple stands, the final outer diameter of the pipe is controlled within an extremely tight tolerance range. At this stage, the steel pipe not only fully meets all dimensional specifications, but also features an exceptionally smooth, even surface with superior industrial finish. To form seamless steel pipe enters the online heat treatment process. Through precise temperature control, the comprehensive mechanical properties of the steel pipe are comprehensively improved. Finally, The glowing red steel pipes enter the walking beam cooling bed in formation. Propelled smoothly by the rack bars and cooled evenly in the air, they gradually lose their intense heat. As your preferred one-stop solution provider for steel projects, SNG not only delivers highly efficient seamless steel pipe production lines like this, but also possesses top-tier delivery capabilities for customized turnkey projects covering a full range of steel products, including wire rods, plates and sections. Powered by cutting-edge equipment and supported by professional engineering management, we help you fully optimize your return on investment. Choose SNG. Live up to your trust.